Hey there, Healing Foods community. Have you ever stopped to think about how vibrant and crunchy bell peppers are? They're not just a splash of color on your plate, they're packed with incredible healing benefits, especially when viewed through the lens of Chinese medicine. Whether you're looking to boost your immunity, support your digestion, or enhance your skin's glow, bell peppers have got you covered. Let's dive into the exciting world of bell peppers and discover why they're a must-have in your healing journey. In traditional Chinese medicine, bell peppers are celebrated as a cooling food. But what does that mean for your body? It means they help clear excess heat, reduce inflammation, and calm your system. Feeling a bit overheated or dealing with inflammation? A bell pepper can help restore balance and harmony within your body. But wait, there's more. Bell peppers are also fantastic for regulating qi, the vital energy that flows through our bodies. By supporting the stomach and spleen meridians, they enhance digestion and boost your overall vitality. Whether you're feeling sluggish or dealing with digestive discomfort, bell peppers can give you that much-needed energy boost and keep your gut happy. Let's talk beauty. In Chinese medicine, bell peppers are known to moisten dryness, making them perfect for soothing dry skin, lubricating joints, and even easing dryness in the throat. Their rich vitamin C content not only supports your immune system, but also promotes collagen production, keeping your skin youthful and radiant. From a modern perspective, bell peppers are nutritional powerhouses. Packed with vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as antioxidants and fiber, they support heart health, enhance vision, and aid in weight management. Plus, they're low in calories and high in flavor. What's not to love? So, how can you incorporate these vibrant veggies into your daily routine? Try adding them to your salads for a crunchy texture, blending them into a refreshing smoothie, or sating them with your favorite herbs for a delicious stir-fry. My personal favorite? A colorful bell pepper and quinoa bowl with a drizzle of tahini dressing, nutritious, tasty, and oh so satisfying. Next time you slice into a bell pepper, remember it's not just a tasty treat. It's a bundle of healing energy ready to enhance your well-being. Whether you're cooling down, boosting your digestion, or glowing from the inside out, bell peppers are a fantastic addition to your healing journey. What's your favorite way to enjoy bell peppers? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves food as medicine. See you next time on Healing Foods.